Okay guys, so it appears we've made something a little bit better than we expected. We've just created our new crypto trading signals, and from just yesterday's data alone, from the trades that you would have made not in the 24-hour period but just 8 hours, you could have turned 1,000 into 8 million over the course of a year. Now, yesterday's trading, if you have a look on CoinMarketCap, you'll see it was a pretty bad day for trading overall, a pretty red day. But despite that, just using the trading signals, you would have actually made 2.5%. Now, it doesn't sound a lot. In fact, with $1,000, that is only $25. But we put that into Excel just to see what it would be after 365 days if you continue to make 2.5% per day, every single day for an entire year. It actually comes out to well over $8 million. However, what if you only made just 1 million in a year? Not 8, just 1. Would it be worth you watching the rest of this video to see what these crypto signals can do and see what it's all about? And let's just be honest for a minute. If you could turn 1,000 into just 100,000, not even a million, just 100,000, would it be worth watching to the end of the video? I certainly think so, and I hope that you do too. Just in case you're completely new to everything that we do here with Moocharoo Ninja, let me just give you a brief run through of what it is. Basically, we're developers and we like to make tools for cryptocurrency traders and investors like yourself. Last year, we came up with a CTLM trading strategy system. Now, there'll be more about that over on moocharoo.ninja/BMM. You can watch a video there. And also down below this video, there'll be links to our Telegram group and everything else that we've got going on as well. But our main focus is really getting people started trading in cryptocurrency, the new people. Now, we know what it's like, particularly when you're new and you're just getting into the market for the first time and you get bitten by the FOMO bug. You know, when you see a cryptocurrency just coming up high and it's starting to really do well and you decide to jump in on the bandwagon and ride it up. However, just as soon as you jump on, the market takes a downturn and you start losing money very fast. So, you know, the fear takes over. We are human beings. This is quite normal. And you decide you're going to have to sell it all off before you lose everything. You sell out just as the market turns and goes back up again. Oh my goodness. Yes. This is the reality of trading, particularly in cryptocurrency, because they are so volatile. So what we've done is created these trading signals to try and help people to trade, whether you're experienced or new, and just to help give you a bit more confidence in holding your positions out for longer, and also to enter the market at better times and exit at better times as well. So without any further ado, shall we go and get on with showing you how these crypto signals work and how you could actually start making yourself a substantial amount of money over the next year. But actually, just before we do get into that, let me just explain something straight up. If you're feeling that this is going to be some sort of paid service, I'm sorry, but no, it's not. This is actually part of a free service. When we created these trading signals, we didn't realize exactly how powerful they were going to be. Had we known that, I probably would have put it into the masters area of Moocharoo Ninja, but this is actually free for everyone. All you need to do, go to Moocharoo Ninja, sign up, and this will be available to everybody that signs up for free. So nothing to pay here, guys. I just thought I should let you know ahead of time. And now, without any further ado, let's head into the office and show you how this stuff works. Okay then, so here we are back in the office, and now you're about to see for the very first time our brand new crypto trading signals. So let's jump in. So now, once you log in, you can come here to the crypto signals, and these are fit for every lifestyle. So whether you can only afford a 1 hour a day to trade, or you can trade all day throughout your work, then these are for you. So we got the daily signal. This is for those swing traders, people that just want to just can really check once in the morning or maybe once in the evening and then make a trade accordingly. And these are generally trades you're going to hold over a couple of weeks or a couple of months at a time. As you can see, pretty much everything is on wait out right now because the market's not been looking so good. You can see, so nothing here. This is our trading signals ROIs for the swing traders. And you can see this is basically a tracking system to track the ROIs in real time. And nothing has really been traded other than Ethereum Classic right now because this is literally brand new. It's only been up and running since yesterday. And if you scroll down, you can see this is the trading ROIs for the daily. Obviously, looking pretty good because it's been running for about a day and a half now. So if you're day trading, it could be a good idea to maybe set an alarm on your phone for every hour so that every hour it will go off, every hour on the hour, and you'll see the new trading signal. So right now here for Bitcoin, we're in a bullish trend. The trend is based on a 4-hourly chart, and the hourly is an hourly chart. And this is a buy signal with a bullish trend. And remember guys, the trend is your friend. So whichever way the trend is going, that's generally where you want to go as well. There's no use doing this contrary investment thing where you're trying to basically stand in front of the freight train. If the 4-hourly trend is going in a certain way, then you kind of want to do the same. And with that said, if we scroll down, we can see this buy signal here for Decreed. And it's currently in a bearish trend. So that being the case, whatever you would normally trade, say like up here with Bitcoin, say if you're going to put on $100 per trade, over here, considering it's in a bearish trade, you can still trade it, but maybe be a little bit more cautious and just trade with $100 or maybe $100, sorry, $50, half of that, or even 25%, just $25 instead. And scrolling down, you can see pretty much everything is bearish. Take a quick look on the cryptocurrency here, the coin market cap, I should say. You can see it's pretty much a red day, just as it was yesterday. Not looking a great day for trading. However, the daily trading signals are still looking pretty good. So up 1.7% so far, and 1.7% for Ethereum Classic as well, Chainlink. We are going to be making some losses on a few as well, so do bear that in mind. It's not all winners, but it is possible to actually outperform this tracking right here, because this tracking just goes all in or all out based on these daily hourly signals. It doesn't bother to look whether it's bearish and then decide how much it's going to be putting in or not. That is really in the master trading signals in the masters area, and we'll go into that in just a minute. But right now, yes, it is definitely possible for you to outperform this just by, if it's bullish and it says buy, you want to go all in with a full amount. If it's bearish, maybe hold off a little bit. And the same goes as well when it comes to sell. If it's sell and it's bearish, dump the lot, get rid of it. If it's bullish and it says sell, maybe just sell half. And I absolutely cannot wait for you guys to have a go at this, give us some feedback, get back to us on social media, because from what we've seen yesterday, these could really, quite honestly, change your life if used correctly. And here is how things were looking yesterday. This wasn't after a full 24 hours. This was just an 8-day working day. We started it up in the morning for the first time, and this is how it looked. So if we have a look at the losses first of all, we can see we've got 0.1, 0.5, 0.1, 0.5. So that is 1.7% loss, sorry. And if we go to what we've gained, you can see Litecoin's 1.7, so we'll ditch that. We'll say 1.5 plus 0.8, so that's 2.3 plus that 2.5, so 2.5% plus per day. And based on that, I decided to see what it would be if we started out with $1,000 on day one. That means making 2.5% would be going into day two with $1,025. And then what if that continued every single day for an entire year? How much would you actually make if that was the case? Just making what begins as just $25 per day. But obviously, as it compounds and adds up and grows throughout the year, continuing to make 2.5% per day isn't a lot for crypto. I know there's a lot of people out there all chasing after 100x, 10x, 400x in a day, but we're only looking at a little bit. You can see here from day 190, just 2.5% profit per day. You're now on $100,000 on day 190. By day 200, that's 136. And we'll go all the way down here to day 300. You're now over $1 million. This is just 2.5% profit per day. You do not need to make a lot of money per day to make a lot of money per year. Here we go. So this is day 365. So this could be 1 year from now. You now have turned that $1,000 into over $8 million. Pretty wild and not at all what I was actually expecting. So when I decided to make this free, well, there you go. I already made the decision. But what we're also doing is our master trading signals. And if you think these are good, the master trading signals, which will be in the masters area, are even better, because where you're making a few losses there, the master trading signals should cut down those losses significantly, as it uses this risk reward management style thing in there. It's awesome. So I can't wait to do a video on that. It'll probably be about a week away now. Although we've done all the back end stuff, we still need to decide all the front end, how we're actually going to display it to you guys on the website. So all that left to go for the master trading signals. But as of right now, you can crack straight on with these. And as if all that isn't already enough, what we're actually going to be doing once we've got the master trading signals up and running in about a week's time, we're then going to be starting working on this sort of Hall of Fame type thing, ready for an 8-week trading challenge. So we'll be running that continuously and have winners winning that by basically trading using the signals, whether it's the master trading signals or the crypto trading signals you see there, just the free version, and seeing who makes the most money in an 8-week period. And I can't wait to see how everyone gets on with that. And it should be something that I feel will help new people in trading to actually hit that button and get trading for the first time. So if you like that and you think it's pretty cool what we're doing here in Moocharoo Ninja, please do hit that subscribe button and give this a like and a share, because at the end of the day, with anything to do with cryptocurrency, we cannot advertise on Facebook, YouTube, Google, Twitter, anything at all, because last year they had this sort of cryptocurrency ban after the whole 2007 shenanigans with all the ICOs and whatnot. So we cannot advertise at all anywhere. So yeah. We certainly do appreciate every single like and comment and all that we get. So on that note, if you do have any cool ideas or whatever, do comment down below, let us know. And if you just want to say, hey, thanks a lot for everything that you're doing, please again, share that down below. That would be great. And if you are wondering just what it is you're supposed to do with these crypto signals, just hit the how to use button right there. It'll just take you down right to the bottom of the page, where you can see it's pretty simple. All you need to do is log into whatever exchange you use, whether that be Binance, Bittrex, Bitfinex, whatever, and you just check out these signals maybe every single hour on the hour, or just once per day, whatever it is that your style is, day trading or swing trading. And if you see a buy, that means just that you just buy right now. It's as easy as that. You just buy with whatever fraction of your trading account that you've designated for a trade, whatever trade size that is. HODL means that you've already bought and now you're just waiting out and hodling those coins away and waiting for the price to rise. Sell means sell right now. Don't wait anymore. Sell means get out of the market, and wait out means that you've sold, you don't own any coins, just wait for the price to go down and you're just waiting for a good entry into the market. And then when you get it, you just buy. Then you hodl, then you sell, then you wait out, and then you buy, hodl, sell, wait out, and the cycle continues. It is as simple as that. Over here, we can see this video here, which I've just put in, just basically as a placeholder. This video you're watching right now should actually be here by the time you're watching this. So if you do want to see this video again, you can just see that right there at the bottom of the page. Okay, anyway, that is just about all I've got time for this week because I've got a mountain of work to be cracking on there for you guys. So that's it for this week, and I can't wait to get on and share all the new stuff with you again this time next week. That's it for now. Chat to you soon.